Okay, so we have here the an endpoint that retrieves all the widgets, and it's currently being used from the a client that retrieves this information from a dispatch right here, right? And it's spelled wrong. And so really, we don't really need this over here, right? So we can remove that and just declare this. All right. Okay. So let's be a little more specific. We don't want all the widgets. Really, we want the widgets for a given topic. Okay? And we do have that information here. We have the topic ID. So ideally, we would like to be able to do something like this, right? Where we provide the topic ID, right, and say that this is a topic. That's really what we want. Okay, we don't have that yet. So let's first of all, we would need to establish that relationship on the server, right, in the database with foreign keys, primary keys. So let's do that. Let's see. So on the server side, what we could do is the widget somehow associate them to their parent topic. Right? So to do that, what we need to do is go to the topic and say, hey, topic, you already know that you're somehow associated to the widgets. Well, I also want you to be a table. I also want you to be a table, an entity, with your own primary key, handled by the database using the same strategy of identity instead of handling it here on the server side. And you and the widget have a relationship, right? What's going to happen is that the widgets are going to refer to you using a foreign key. Okay? So the widget somehow is going to refer back to the topic. It's going to say we're going to know who its parent is, right, with the necessary setters and getters. Okay? All right? So the way we do that is that we say, hey, you're going to be participating in a one-to-many relationship with the widgets. So here are all the widgets. There they are. These are all the widgets. We're going to annotate and say you are participating in a one-to-many relationship. Right? And you are on the one side, whereas the widgets are going to be on the many side. Right? Meaning we're giving them clues. How do we want to implement this? Because in a relational database, there's several ways of doing this, right? In a relationship, an association between two records can be either one of the records has a foreign key to the other record, or we can have a mapping table, right? We could have a mapping table that points to both of them and says, hey, you topic over there are related to that widget over there, right? We could do that. Here, we're explicitly telling them that, no, we want foreign keys. We're going to say that on the other side, on the other side, there is a field on the other side that is referring to you. So that it's mapped by a field on the other side that is called topic. That's going to be this name here, topic, is going to be used to name the foreign key. Right? So I think the foreign key is going to be called something like topic ID or something, right? Based on this name, based on that name. And on the widget side, we're going to also annotate this and say, hey, topic, you are part of a one-to-many relationship, and you are on the many side. You are on the many side of a one-to-many relationship. All right? Okay. All right, excellent. I think we have enough here to generate what we need. Let's rebuild the project. Probably is going to fail because this entails updating the original table and adding foreign keys, and that's where it kind of gets stuck there. Yeah, see, it was trying to alter the widget table and adding a foreign key, and that's where it's having trouble. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to tell it, you know what, it's fine. Drop my tables. It's okay. Just recreate it from scratch. Just throw away everything in there and just recreate it from scratch. And if that don't work, we'll have to drop the tables themselves. Well, let's see. Let's refresh this. And notice that now we have topic and widget. See that? And if we retrieve all the widgets, it's empty, but it has an additional field here, topic ID. See that? It has now a foreign key to the topics. And topics just has title. So notice the backwardness here, right? Where in Java, it is the parent who has references to the children. But in relational databases, it is the children who have references back to the parent. So it's kind of backwards. Anyway, there we go. Let's create maybe a couple of widgets. So widget 1, 2, 3. Widget, actually, 2, 3, 4. And widgets 3, 4, 5. Now let's update that. I guess we should have done, no, never mind. Let's go to topic. First, let's create a topic, 2 topics. Right? So let's create topic AAA. And this will be topic BBB. So let's apply. I'm going to copy that. Apply. And I'll paste it maybe here in the widget repository. No, where did I put it? I forget. In the widget service. There we go. I'm just going to paste those topics, and then for widgets, we're going to go back to the widgets, and I'm going to add that these 2 widgets are for topic 1, and this topic is for this widget is for topic 2. Okay? Okay, let's go back here and let's update these widgets. There we go. Oops, wait, the second one didn't work. What happened? 2 didn't work. Why didn't it work 2? Where it is? Okay, apply. Okay, so now they're all related, right? So this was this might have been topic ID, and the ID is 2. Okay? Everybody okay? All right, so let's go back to the client. Let's see what we have to modify on the client. Right, so let's do the same thing. What we'll do is list all the topics, and based on those topics, you will use those IDs to then fetch the widgets for those topics. Right? So let's go here, and we'll go and modify our widget list. And our widget list is what's going to do is that instead of loading the widget specifically instead of loading the particular topic, we're going to load all the topics. So this is going to be http://localhost 8080/API/topic. We don't have we never created a service for this, right? We'll have to do that. Let's do that. Let's go back. We'll need to create a service for this, and we'll probably need to create a repository as well. I'm just going to copy the widget repository, and I'm just going to replace widget with topic. And in the topic repository, I'm just going to replace widget. I'll replace it with topic. That's it, right? That's the only real change from repository. And on the web service, we're going to expose all the topics. We're going to say auto wired. This will be topic repository. Topic repository. And this is going to say get mapping. And this will be /API/topic. This will return all the topics. So this will be public list topic, find all topics. And this will be, we'll use the topic repository to find all. We'll return that. We'll cast. Hello. Do the cast, very good. And probably we'll also need on the widget service, we'll need an additional endpoint that says, I don't want all the widgets, I want the widgets for a particular topic. Right? So we need something like add get mapping with API. If you give me a particular topic ID, I can then retrieve all the widgets for that topic. Right? Again, to stay within the RESTful naming convention, right? So this will be public list widget. So this will be like find widgets for topic. And then we'll parse out the topic ID from the request. So from the path variable called topic ID, we're going to parse out the topic ID as an integer. Right, now that we know what a topic is, what we need to do is retrieve all those widgets for that topic. Right? And the way we do it is use what what we normally do in Java, right? We would first find the topic and then get all the widgets for that topic. Right? So to do that, we first need to grab a hold of the topic itself. So to interact with the topic, we'll need the topic repository. Right? Because only the topic repository can retrieve for me a topic if I know its ID. Right? So if I can pass in the topic ID, that can retrieve the topic from the database. Right? Once I have that, I basically need to. What this returns is what's called an optionable, right? Or option. Sorry, an option. What is it? I forget. Let's see. Topic. I can't assign it. Is it? Optional. Yeah, optional. Optional meaning this might be null, meaning that record might not actually exist in the database, right? So it's a fancy version of null. Right? It might not be, it's undefined. That record actually doesn't exist for that ID. So typically you would say, is it there? If it is, then give me the object. If not, I'm going to be optimistic. I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to assume it's there. I'm not going to do any validation. I'll leave that up to you. We're going to say get. Get retrieves the underlying object if it's there. So that is the topic. And now that I have the topic, I can get the widgets. There they are. They're the widgets. And we're going to just return those widgets. Okay? All right, let's try it out. I'm going to go back to my application properties. I'm going to change this to update again. I don't want to throw away all my hard work. I'll restart the server. And let's move back to the client. So on the client side, here I'm retrieving all the topics. I'm fetching it, rendering all the topics. Let's see if that works. Let's see. Refresh. So here's Alice. Same thing as before. Where would that be? That would be in the topic list. No, that would be in the lesson list. So if it's greater than or equal to 0. Try again. That didn't seem to work. Oh, what's it saying here? Console. OnCut, blah, 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 JSON, and promise, unexpected token, network. What's coming back? It's coming. That looks right. That's what I was expecting. Preview. Header. What don't you like? Response. Da 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 da. Response. Console. On-card promise. Yeah. Unexpected token T. Source console. Is there any T here? Oh, looks like it's being truncated. It's like it doesn't parse it. Doesn't understand it as JSON. Application JSON, response headers. So it is JSON. Request headers. And it's a fetch. It's 200. Here's the lessons. Let's see. What do we have here? Lesson, topic list, topic, set state topics. Let's see if we can put a breakpoint here in the topic list. Let's see, topic list. Comes back right here. URL API topic. Oops. Topics. Set. That's the, okay, so can we do a console? Log topics. Alice. Oh, it doesn't even get there.
I think on line 32 it's having issue converting to JSON. Thinks your JSON is malformed,
Yeah. Yeah, but it looks okay. But it doesn't think it's JSON. See that? Typically, it would format it as JSON.
Is it infinite looping? You see the same topic a lot. The topic AAA seems to
Where? Oh.
that JSON. Like when you scroll to the right, it looks like that's really long.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right.
JSON coming back.
Yes, it's an infinite loop. Oh, okay. Learning. Learning opportunity. Let's stop this. Right, yes, indeed is getting into an infinite loop. So what happens here is that it's trying, so when it was trying to convert widget, it does the mapping automatically, right? It says, here's a widget, here's I want to convert it into JSON, so it converts ID to a field ID and its value, title and its value. But now we're asking to convert topic, right? And so it goes and tries to convert topic as an object. And when it gets to topic, it says, OK, well, I'll generate my ID for the topic, the title for the topic. Oh, look, an array of widgets. So it goes back into the widget, and the widget references back to the topic. And so it gets into this infinite loop. So one way to solve this is to break that and say, well, I really want to retrieve widgets as children of the topic. I don't really care about widgets actually having references, a sub-object called topic. I want the topic to have an array of widgets. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to break the cycle and say ignore. JSON ignore. Meaning when you get to here and you start to, when you are going to try and start converting this to JSON, just ignore it. Don't try to convert this to JSON. All right? So let's look at that. Let's restart. Let's try it again. All right, there we go. Topic AAA and BBB, and the server is happy. All right, excellent. Thank you. All right, excellent. So what we want to be able to do is that now that when we select a particular topic, we want to retrieve the widgets, but not all the widgets. Notice that it's still just retrieving all the widgets. So what we can do is that in the widget list, container where we do the query, instead of retrieving all the widgets, we can filter and say, no, we only want the ones for this particular topic, the current topic. Right? So we can put here the topic ID, right, as topic / right? That's the URL that we exposed to retrieve all the widgets for a given topic. All right, so let's try it again. There we go. So we have a topic, and so if we click here, oh, there we go. There we go. So notice that it retrieves only those widgets for that particular topic that you're selecting, right? And on the network, you'll notice that we have a query here, maybe. Oh, there we go. Where this one is in the headers, it will be topic 1 widget, and if we click on the second one, it'll be topic 2 widget. See that? Retrieving each one from the server. Make sense? Okay, excellent. All right, so we connected topic and widgets. Connecting lessons and topics is fairly similar to connecting widgets and topics. So let's talk about some of the more advanced features of JPA.